guys, in today's video we're going to do a quick unboxing. Now I do have a separate video that's the setup so you guys can see this in action, how to set it up in your house, but this is just to see what's inside the box. I know a lot of you want to see exactly that. So that's what this video is, an unboxing video. Once again, I do have the setup video, which is another one. So just around the box, just want to show you what information you guys get around it. It does come with the sealed plastics, and just take that out. So here we go, we got the quick start guide, which helps a lot actually. We also have an installation guide. So that's what comes with this. Very quick installation guide. And installation is very easy actually. You guys will see that once you see my video about it. Very, very easy. We got some programming instructions, which again, I'm going to show you during that installation video that I have, which is obviously a separate one. And then we get this, which can be very useful, by the way. So make sure to keep this. And finally, let's see what's inside the box. So here we go. Let's just take this out. Here we go, this is the top. It's pretty heavy, by the way. There's this rubber here that you can take off pretty easily. It's already coming off actually. This lifts up like so you guys can see the batteries. So that's where they go. And we have unlock, lock. There we go, so you can move that out. So all this is plastic, by the way. It feels very heavy, that's because the back side is metal. And obviously, it's gonna be even heavier with the batteries once we install them. But it is something pretty heavy. This shows you the top, so this would be the bottom technically. But by the way, this goes inside your house. That's why the battery thing is inside your house, okay? You don't have to worry about your batteries being outside, especially in the cold. You know, they wear it off way faster. That's for those of you who have winter. Then we got this guy. You guys can see the connection right here. This is all basic, so if you guys have a normal one, it would be pretty much the same thing, except for this cable. That cable makes it smart. Well, besides everything else, really. So let's just take, and there we go. Just took that out. So this is what you guys would see outside. And you will notice this down here below too. That connection there. So it does have a port down there. You get this rubber around it as well. And it's really nice looking. The numbers, you can barely see them, but you can see them. So they're right there. Now this part actually looks really, really nice. So just to let you know, this is metal. That would be glass. This would be metal as well. So it does feel really nice. Actually, yeah, that's metal. Let me just show you around that one more time. So that's that. We get a pair of keys. Very necessary if something wrong happens. We get this part as well, which we have to install. Very easy to install, by the way. It's a little greasy. And in this little bag, we get a bunch of stuff. Just a lot. So let me just show you everything, really. So here are all the parts that you could ever need. And if I take this out, you guys can see there's nothing down there, by the way. That's it for the box. We do get batteries. By the way, the batteries that you guys get with this are just regular AA batteries. So once these wear off, you guys can go on and use just rechargeable. That's exactly what we're gonna do, but these are it. So in this shot right here, you guys can see everything that you guys get within the box. There's nothing else. So once again, this video is just to show you exactly what you guys get inside the box. However, as I mentioned before, I do have a setup video. So once again, I do have a setup video that teaches you exactly how to install this. You guys will see that in action in that setup video. But it's very, very easy to set this up. If you guys have ever installed a lock, it's gonna be the exact same way. Just a few minor details that are different, obviously. And if you haven't, it's gonna be easy anyways, regardless. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.